So hello everyone and welcome back to the Tableau tutorial series. In the previous video we have covered a bit already. We started with how to connect data in Tableau public using a sample superstore dataset. Then in sheet 1 we created a bar charts and understood how to build basic visualization using a drag and drop functionality. Then we moved on to the sheet 2 where we explored how to create a line chart, adding more analytical depth using a date dimensions. Now, in our most recent videos on sheet 3, we are learn how to build a pie charts to represent categorical data distributions and how Tableau smartly place field into color, size, and angle for us. Now, in this video, we are moving forward to a new visualization type that's both powerful and visual insightful maps in Tableau. So these are incredibly useful when working with geographical data like countries, states, or cities. So now as you can see, sheet 3 is open on the screens where we previously created the pie charts. Now let's go ahead and create a new worksheets for this next part. So we will click on the plus button tab and create a sheet 4. We will name it to a map chart so it's easier to navigate later. Now let's first understand the data. So first let's understand which fields are geographical in our data set. So on the left data pan, you will notice a field like a state, a city, country, and postal code. So these fields have a small globe icon next to them. So this indicate that Tableau recognize them as a geographic dimensions. For this example, we will build a map showing sales by state in the United States. So let's go ahead and double click on the state. Instantly, Tableau generates a map of the US with dots for each state. So this is a default behavior. Tableau reads the state field and plots it geographically. Now, as soon as the map loads, you will see dots representing each state. So this visualizations gives us quick confirmations that Tableau correctly interpreted the geographical data. So it's a strong starting point for building insightful geographical dashboards, helping us instantly spot any missing or misaligned data before we layer in additional metrics. Now we want to see how each state is performing in terms of sales. So drag cells from the measure section and drop it onto the color in the mark card. Now our dots become color coded based on the sales value. States with higher sales appear in the darker shades. And just like that, we now have a field map which each state is shaded based on its total sales. So now the map is easier to interpret a class with the states shapes instead of dots. So these views enable quick identification of region with a high and a low sales. The gradient shadings immediately highlights geographic patterns, making it easier for a stakeholder to draw insights at a glance. So on the mark card,
You can change the mark type.
now let's add more context. So for now, we can make these charts even more meaningful by adding an additional layer of information that enrich the viewer's understanding. So first, drag profit into the tooltip shell. This simple actions allow user to hover over any states and instantly see the profit figures associated with that region. It adds a deeper level of insights, showing not just where sales are high, but also where the business is actually making or losing money. Next, to give viewers a clearer pictures without needing to hover, you can drop cells into the level shelf. So this actions place the exact cells figure directly on the map over each state. So it's especially useful during presentations or when sharing statics dashboards, as it eliminates the needs for interaction while still delivering precise value. As a result of these additions, our map evolves from a simple cells over into a multi-dimensional analytical tool. We can now instantly small spot discrepancies such as state with high sales but low profits, which can guide business decisions, marketing efforts, or operational adjustment. So this enriched visualization provides a more complete picture of geographic performance across both revenue and profitability dimensions. Now let's talk about the formatting. So if the color is too strong or too light, go to the color shelf, click on it and choose edit colors from here. We can switch to the color palette like red, green or diverging or blue for better readability. Also, you can go to the map layers in the top menu to click to pick the background map styles. Maybe remove unnecessary labels like country borders if you want to cleaner look. Let's take a quick moment to explore some light interactivity features that Tableau offers with maps. So these small touches can significantly enhance user engagements. For example, once your map is created, user can zoom in or map or pan across a state for a closer look at a specific region. So this is especially helpful when you are presenting or sharing dashboards with a wider audience. You can also click on the individual states to highlights and also isolate data for that particular area when used alongside filter or dashboard sections. So this allows viewers to drivers their own explorations and discover insights relevant to their interest. Additionally, we can add more control by dragging category from the dimensions pan into the filter shelf. So this enables users to filter the map based on the product category like furniture, office supplies, and the technology. Once added, we can choose to display the filter as a drop down on the side of the dashboards or a worksheet. As a result, it allows the viewer to dynamically adjust the map to focus on the performance of specific categories across the state, adding another layer of flexibility and analysis to our map visualization. So there's still a lot more we can explore with the Tableau maps. For instance, advanced users often use dual axis maps to show multiple layer of geographic insights or even apply filters and parameters for interactive dashboards. We will discuss on that features in the future videos. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, we have created a field map in a Tableau showing states-wise sales and added context with the profit and labels. So this type of visualization is super useful when you want to analyze patterns across a geography. It helps in identifying high performing or low performing regions quickly and clearly. In the next video, we will dive into tree maps, which are another way to show part two whole relationship, but using rectangles instead of circles or regions. So until then, keep practicing and feel free to explore other geographical fields in your dataset like a city or a postal code to make even more granular maps. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.